welcoming remarks. Please give her a round of applause.
Esteemed school heads, Engineer Romel M. Someros, our school director, and Ms. Imelda T. Mejenda, school principal, our committed teachers, esteemed guests, devoted parents, and cherished schoolmates. I wish you all a very good morning. It is an honor to welcome you to our 7th graduation and moving up ceremony on behalf of the class of 2024. This event represents a significant turning point in our lives, as it represents years of hard work, perseverance, and success. As we reach the end of our journey through elementary and junior high, we experience a range of emotions, including a jubilant sense of accomplishment for having completed this stage of our academic journey, and the bittersweet realization that we must part ways with our school friends. At this juncture, I would like to express our sincere appreciation to everyone who has significantly contributed to molding our journeys. To our devoted teachers who have been our guiding lights, to our devoted parents who have provided us with unwavering support, and to our cherished friends and relatives who have been our secure havens, a heartfelt thank you. Your concerted efforts to ensure a significant and profound ceremony have made today's commencement ceremony even more memorable, as it represents not merely a conclusion, but a new beginning. We are ecstatic to share this momentous occasion with you, as our graduation and completion is not only our accomplishment, but also a gift to you, a tribute to your commitment and trust in us. We are most appreciative of God for guiding us throughout this voyage. To my fellow completers, I wish you the best of luck as we face the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. May God's blessings accompany us in all of our future endeavors, and may success be our constant companion. Your unwavering faith in us, dear parents, is our cornerstone. We pledge to work tirelessly to ensure that your unwavering support are not in vain. Once more, I extend a cordial welcome to everyone in attendance today. Your presence enhances this event, and your support is a treasured gift as we enter the world with knowledge, experience, and aspirations. May God bless us all, and once again, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Claire, for that heartwarming welcome.